Hello everyone, it's Joanna. I'm trying to see. Welcome to my channel. I'm going to film a vlog today and I'm wearing outfit of the day, this tracksuit I got from Next, which is a bit wrinkly and it's so pink. Nice and comfortable, great for the spring. Hang on, I'll try to show you what it looks like. Yeah, I don't know if you can see. Not a very good photo, not a very good. Maybe I should leave it here. Now do you see what it looks like? So, yeah. That's my outfit of the day. And skincare. I like my makeup. It looks very natural. I'm wearing a ton of it. Well, I'm just wearing the Born to Glow NYX foundation, Hourglass, what's it called? Hourglass contour palette. And I'm wearing the, what's this called? Maybelline Nude liquid lipstick. Nice and nourishing, and it doesn't make your lips stick. So I'm just gonna take you around with whatever I do today and what we're eating and all those kinds of things. So I don't know what I'm gonna get up to, but I hope it's not boring. My lunch, I'm trying to lose weight by counting my calories a bit. I still eat a bit of junk food because I can't, but yeah. So I've made a salad. I put in 1 tomato, little cucumbers. Here they are. These ones are really nice. I got them off Lidl. And carrot and pepper. And I'm just going to put 1 teaspoon of olive oil and some sea salt and some oregano. And I'm also having, I got these off Lidl because it's Greek week. And I love my little cheese pies. I'm going to show you what they look like in the oven. Oh, it steamed up my camera. Anyway, those little cheese pies, that's what I'm having. Those little cheese pies, that's what I'm having. Yum, yum, yum. Oh, I'm not having all of them. I'm having 3 little cheese pies. And juice. And that's lunch for today. Still wearing this thing. Hang on, I'll show you. I'm still wearing this thing. It hurts. I got it off Amazon. It's supposed to help with, you know, the muscles down here under your chin. Anyway, yeah, don't know. Double chin. Looks so weird. So I've made myself a coffee in my J mug as always, as usual. So here's my coffee. It's decaf, what's it called? Pressed coffee. We call it in Greece French coffee. So anyway, and I also have a little cake. These are double choc cake bars, 90 calories. Got lots of fiber in them, which is great. And I'm going to do a few masks. I've washed my face, let me show you. So, I've washed my face. There's nothing on my face. I need to do my eyebrows, I know. But yeah, everything has been cleaned and taken off and double cleansed and blah, blah, blah. So, I'm going to look at masks and see what I want to do. So, I have this Glam Glow mask, but I'm not going to go anywhere tomorrow. So, I think I'm going to wear that when I use that when I go somewhere. I'm going to put the deep cleansing nose strips. I'm going to use those. Then I'm going to use, these ones. Flash Patch Rejuvenating Eye Gel Masks. I got these off Cult Beauty Pathology. And they're nice. They feel really nice. I'm going to use that. I've got a Nivea one from Greece, Soft Skin, which has got argan oil and aloe vera. I might do that one. I haven't done that one before. What other masks? I've got like this bag with different masks. I just purchased them and then decide what I'm going to use. Oh, I have this Dr. Jart one. I really like Dr. Jart, which is pore acting solution. Again, I'm not going to go anywhere. I just want to do like a freshening up and, you know, detoxing one or something like that. So this is gently warming, clears pores. Maybe I should do a pore cleansing one. Then I've got the Rosy Glow primer. I'm not going to use that because again, ain't going anywhere. I think this one, Reviving Sheet Mask. So I'm going to use that one because I've used these before. It's Julian McDonald. I got that from whatchamacallit, Boots during Christmas when they had things on sale. Steam eye masks. I haven't used that, but I've got it. That was a birthday present. And what else do I have? Oh, I'm going to use this one as well. So this is Apivita. It was a Greek brand, but it's got sold. But you can find these. These are really good products. So I'm going to use the tissue face mask, black tissue face masks with Carob Detox. So this is a detox one. I'm going to do that one. I'm really going to be detox today. I have 2 detox ones. I'm going to choose one though, not both. And then another detox. Really lots of detox. Very detoxed. Facial sheet mask. Sharky. I might use that one because that's moisturizing and refreshing. I'm going to put the little shark. And I also have charcoal nose strips. I think I'm going to use these ones. The Primani ones aren't that great. And I have my Dragon Blood Nip Fab lip mask, which I had got from TK Maxx. So I'm going to put a lip mask, a moisturizing mask, eye gel patches, and yeah, that's going to be my and then I also have these I just got these. I saw these YouTuber talking about triangular wrinkle remover strips, so I'm going to look into what these do. So we'll see. I'm not going to open these today, but yeah, just going to do some masks now. I had to show you this. The mask is black. I've never worn a black tissue mask. It smells really nice. So this is the Apivita black tissue face mask with Carob Detox, and it's purifying. So this is what I have on my face. I'm going to leave it on for about 10 minutes. Okay, so I'm going to make some tzatziki, and I'm going to show you the way we make it in Greece. How my mum makes it. I only have a few, I'm going to make a small, I hate it when the tap drips. Let me just sort that. Okay, so tap sorted. Not sorted. Gosh. Okay, so what you need is this fire. Don't try to make tzatziki without Greek yogurt. Fire, we get 5%. You need a little bit of cucumber. I use garlic powder because I think that the garlic here is very, very, very strong. So I avoid using garlic. You need a little bit of olive oil and some vinegar. So that's what you need. Let's continue. So for this amount of yogurt, which is, how much is that? That's a very small, that's a very small amount. How much is that? Everything's gone tiny. What have I done? So for this amount of yogurt, which is, how much? My camera's going to fall. Okay, so for this amount of yogurt, which is 170 grams, I'm going to use this amount of cucumber. I'm going to grate it, and then I'm going to put some salt on it to take away the water. So I'll show you when I'm finished grating. So I've grated the cucumber, put it in my little Tupperware where I'm going to use it. I'm going to put a little bit of, I squashed it as well just to get rid of the excess water. I'm going to put a little bit of salt. So I added the tub of yogurt in there. I'm going to put some garlic. It depends on how garlicky you want it. I'm just going to put a little bit of garlic powder. Also, the longer you let it sit, the more the flavor of the garlic will come out. So keep that in mind. So you can see on the top how much garlic I've added. And I'm going to squirt a little bit of vinegar and a little bit of olive oil, like a few spoonfuls. And it depends on how strong you want it and stuff like that. So if you taste it later on and it doesn't taste good, just add more garlic or more salt or more vinegar, more olive oil. Start with less and move on to more. So I'm going to use this vinegar and the olive oil. We have olive oil. My family produces olive oil, so we're going to use it. I'm from Greece, if you haven't watched my videos before and you're wondering how. Yeah, I'm from Greece, so we have olive trees. So as I said, I squirted a little bit of vinegar, I squirted a bit of olive oil. Now I'm going to mix it. I'm going to leave it in the fridge, and then after about an hour, we consume. And if it doesn't, I'm going to add a little bit more salt. And if it doesn't taste as I wanted, I just add a bit more garlic or a bit more vinegar, just until I like the flavour. So there you have it. I've mixed it all. I'm going to put it in the fridge and have it with white bread. Don't have it with brown bread or crackers. It's the best with white bread. So yeah, that's my, tzatziki. Oh, let me show you a little Superdrug haul. So I went to Superdrug and I bought a nighttime, I didn't know it said my nighttime moisture bomb. So what does it say? When do you wear this? Is this for sleeping? Anyway, I got that. Someone told me, one of the makeup groups I'm in, that this replenishing rich moisturizer, which is for hydration and all that, is like Moisture Surge. So I'm going to test that out. I also got this revitalizing eye roll-on. Try it. And a hydrating booster serum from Simple. I'll let you know what I think. I filmed an affordable skincare which has been shared, so I'll link this as well, because I wanted to try a bit more affordable things. And since someone said that this is like Moisture Surge by Clinique, definitely want to try this, because that costs £4 and Moisture Surge costs, I don't know, 25, 26, 30, I don't know. Anyway, so yeah. Okay, so I've made one of my favorite dishes, which we call like little shoes or something like that. And you just get an aubergine, you take out the stuffing, and then you just add tomato, parsley, onion, garlic, and you stick some feta cheese in it. And I've also added some potato with some tomato puree, and I added a little bit of olive oil and some stock. So yeah, it's going to take about an hour to cook at 200 degrees. Really nice, yummy food. So we went to B&M and bought a few snacks, cheeky snacks. I'll show you what we got. Low calorie junk food. So hang on. I bought some more of these Skinny Whip strawberry and chocolate snack bars. I really like them. And I also got the toffee and chocolate snack bar. We got some, I haven't seen these Lotus Biscoff. 50 calories in one biscuit, so I'm not going to be having a lot of these. And I also bought these ones, the Lotus Biscoff biscuits, which I really like. We got the Skinny and Co cookies, don't know, haven't tried them. And we also got the Skinny syrup, so don't know how nice that's going to be and how tasty, but yeah. And something I see here that you really need to try, little cucumbers. They are delicious. They are really, really yummy. We get these from Lidl or Tesco and places like that. So yeah, that's what we got. Hey, let me just show you what I'm having for lunch. I think I'm going to finish off this vlog as well, because loads of stuff. Oh, these are my earrings from Flamingo Jewellery. As I said, I have a 10% discount off. I like how they're white and black. White and black is in fashion at the moment. And I have stuff stuck in my teeth. Hope it doesn't show up on camera. So yeah, you can get 10% off. You can see everything in the description box. Underneath the video, there's a little arrow. You click on it and that's where the description box. So let me show you my salad, because it's really delicious. So let me show you now. So what's in my salad? As I said, I'm counting calories. This is a bit of a big salad, so I think I'm going to be a bit more careful for dinner. But I put in some iceberg. I put in some yummy small cucumbers. You can find them at Tesco. You can also find them at Lidl, and they are really delicious. I put in some tomato. I put in some celery stick. Apparently, celery stick, it takes you more calories to chew it than the calories that are in a celery stick. I don't know if that's true or urban legend or something. And I added some chicken, which I got like sliced from Tesco. They're like barbecue chicken, And this is a very yummy lunch. I'm just having some juice and stuff like that, but really enjoyed this salad. So my salads are like chuck whatever. Oh, and some carrot, which I like to like slice into thin pieces. So that's what you have here. Now, give this salad a try. A little bit of sea salt and a little bit of olive oil. Just a little bit, because you can taste the sauce from the Tesco barbecue chicken. So that's why I haven't added anything else. A lot of talk about salads. And yeah, that is the end of this vlog. I don't have anything else to show you. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. Give this video a thumbs up. I post videos about planners. I post videos about food, plus size fashion, beauty, hauls, all sorts. So yeah, be great to see you again. Stay safe, everyone, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.